Established in 2022, located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, China. Dongguan Shandong Carbon Fiber Technology Company Limited is a professional export and import manufacturer that specializes in R&D, production of carbon fiber, and FRP car turning parts, such as car front lips, rear lips, front bumpers, rear bumpers, side skirts, bonnets, rear spoilers, rear trunk covers, and stainless steel titanium exhaust system. We sell all kinds of modification car body kits and accessories for high-end vehicles, luxury superfast cars, including Audi S4 R8, BMW M3 G80, M4 G82, Mercedes-Benz G-Class, GT50, GT63, Porsche 718, Cayman 971 Panamera, Alfa Romeo Stelvio, Ferrari 488 GTB, SF90, Lamborghini Urus, Huracan, Aventador, Maserati Levante, McLaren 570S, 720S, Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Wraith, etc. We provide reasonable price, high-quality products with perfect fitment, safety installation testing, valuable and efficient after-sales service. Due to our professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, we have gained a global sales network reaching Dubai, Middle East, UK, Ukraine, European countries, USA, Canada, North American countries, Australia and Cambodia, Japan, Asian countries. With more than 10 years export experience in this industry, our well-equipped facilities and excellent quality control throughout all stages of production enables us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. We warmly welcome new and old customers to contact us for visiting, inquiring, and purchasing for more business.